Hi, I got my pressure washer here, and it's fall time. So let's winterize this pump. What you're gonna need: a little pump saver. You can get this right on Amazon. Stuff works pretty good. And obviously you need a pressure washer. So what I like to do, I have an extra one of these. Just an open hole. Put that right on here. Then thread this knob on. And then you just got to turn it over until you all of a sudden you start to see the fluid coming out of here. I'll show you. And as you see, now turn it a few times. You see the fluid coming out. You're good to go. And that's how you winterize your pump. Hey, please like and subscribe if that helps you out. I'm trying to grow my channel here. Like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.